Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Credit One Bank with your Rocket Money app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start keeping track of your finances on the Rocket Money app, but you use Credit One Bank. How do you actually connect both of them together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, let's first log on to the Rocket Money app. Next, click on the gear icon in the upper left-hand corner. From here, scroll all the way down and then click on Linked Accounts. Next, click on Add Institution, and then from here, scroll down even more, and then click on Credit One Bank. Now, a software called Plate is going to open up, and this is what Rocket Money uses to actually connect to different financial institutions. So with that, go and click on Continue, and then simply just follow the on-screen prompts to connect to Credit One Bank. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Credit One Bank with Rocket Money app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.